Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't watched my previous videos, this here is video number 3. I created a series of 3 videos where I share tips, tools, and strategies to help you live a longer, happier, and healthier life. If you haven't watched the previous videos, I will leave a link below. The first video was on state of mind. Second video was, so we use meditation. Second video was on exercise to take care of your body and I shared tips that would to keep it simple, where you don't have to spend hours and hours a day. Something that you can do probably within 10-20 minutes in the morning if you choose to. But the key is repetition, and the key is turning it into a habit. Once things become habits, you are making them simpler and easier on yourself. It does take time, work, and effort at the beginning, but it is worth it in the long run. To create a habit is as simple as just doing it over and over again. So in the first video, we talked about meditation. Second video was, we discussed exercise. And this third video, diet. Diet is very important. Like Socrates said, one of those great thinkers in the past, we are literally digging our graves with our teeth, which means is whatever we're consuming is killing us, but whatever we consume can also heal us. It's pretty simple, but it's not that easy to implement, and it's really easy to forget. So I'm serving this as a reminder, and I will share some tips, obviously, to help you guys adapt a healthier diet, which in the long run will help you in so many ways. As you guys already know, some of the benefits of a healthy diet is regulates weight, helps you live longer, it helps your focus and your state of mind, reduces the risk of cancer, high blood pressure, and diabetes. I mean, that's just to name some of the things. So tip number 1 on keeping a healthy diet is meal planning. Once a week, or if you shop twice a week, you can do that as well. But once a week, I sit down, I write down my grocery list, and it's always a good idea to plan your meals with your list, so that you know what you're gonna eat each evening. Like I fast a lot, but I have standard things that I eat throughout most of my mornings. I keep a lot of fruit around my house so that I'm not snacking on stuff. So plan your meals and do your shopping. That's tip number 1. If you plan your meals and you do your shopping, you'll be buying all the ingredients for your meals. You don't have to think about it the day off, and it'll also help you plan your meals to make things smoother for you. Tip number 2 is do not bring in any junk food in your house. I don't know, we all have food addictions. It is human nature to have them. The biggest addictions that I know of are sodium. People get addicted to salty stuff like chips, Fritos, and a lot of other salty stuff. The other big addiction that we have is dairy. The other addiction is oils. And the biggest ones that we all know about is sugar. So it's natural, and we should know this about ourselves. We all have addictions. There's some people that have them more under control. If you look at their body, the body is pretty much says everything. But there's some people that don't have it under control. But just being aware of it can just by bringing it to your awareness, you can actually take control over it, and you can change those addictions. And the biggest tip, the biggest thing that helps me again is I don't bring it home. If I bring it home, chances are I might eat it. So I like to say that I have a will and I'm super disciplined, but in some areas I'm not. So I just don't bring some things home. That's tip number 2. Tip number 3. Tip number 3 is have plenty of fruits and vegetables around. I eat mainly fruits and vegetables, and I always have them around the house. If your body's full and you're content, chances are you are not going to be craving the bad stuff. It's when you push yourself that you don't eat for hours and you forget, next thing you know, you're eating whatever's in sight. Who cares what the calories, who cares if it's good or bad? We just end up overindulging. So tip number 3 will be have plenty of fruits and vegetables around. So whenever you're hungry, grab an apple, grab a banana, grab strawberries. So whatever your fruits, whatever you like as far as fruits and vegetables, so you can always snack on the healthiest stuff. And if you do want to bring in junk food, just try to make the best decisions out there. I recommend you keep that to the minimum. But if you are, just bring something that's cleaner. Nowadays, there's a lot of healthier alternatives. So that's pretty much it for tip number 3. As I mentioned in the previous videos, I do have a contest coming up. It is my way of saying thank you for all your support. Thank you for all the comments, and thank you for watching my videos. I would release more stuff about that on the next video. Hey, have a good day. Thank you for watching this video.